For this tutorial I will be using Windows OS. A Mac OS tutorial will be uploaded shortly after this tutorial. The first step, as expected, is to download VirtualBox. This is the app you'll be using for your VM. Go to virtualbox.org and click Downloads on the left side of the page. Now click Windows Hosts under VirtualBox Platform Packages. This should download the required installer. Now run the installer you downloaded. Click Yes. You might get this error. If you did not, skip to the time shown on screen. If you did get this error, don't worry, we just need to download the requested software. Go to learn.microsoft.com/en-us/cpp/windows/latest-supported-vc-redis. Click on the link under x64. Run the downloaded installer, agree to the terms and conditions, and install. Now you are ready to install VirtualBox. Open the installer file you previously downloaded. Click Yes, then click Next. If you installed it correctly, you should now have the setup window opened. Click Next and you will have successfully installed VirtualBox. Now we need to download a Windows ISO. Go to microsoft.com/en-us/software-download/Windows 10. Click Download now under Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Open the installer file and click Yes. Wait. Then click Accept. Now click Create Installation Media for another PC, then click Next. Click Next again, then click ISO file and click Next. This will prompt you to choose where to download this file. Anywhere will be fine as long as you can access this later. We will need this file for the VM. Now you have to wait for the ISO to download. This may take a while. For me this took 15 minutes. Now open VirtualBox and click the blue star that says New under it. Name it whatever you would like. For ISO image, click the arrow and click Other. Click on the ISO you previously downloaded. Set username and password to whatever you would like. If your VM name is too short, you will have to change the host name. Now allocate stats to your VM. Here I do not have enough memory, so it will not load. If you get this error, you need more memory. Here is how it should load. From here, set it up like any other Windows PC.